Welcome back, Fun Fam, and if you're brand new to the channel, welcome in to Follow the Bradley's Fun. My name is Ron E. Bradley, and I hope that wherever you are, you're having a phenomenal day. Speaking of the day, as of the recording of this, today is the 13th day of May 2024. We're back checking up on the progress of Tiana's Bayou adventure. Now we know it's opening on the 28th of June. We're also going to get over to Epcot in today's vlog, check out the Passholder Lounge finally. So we'll see that, we'll see Epcot, we'll see what's going on with this. So come along with us for this update and follow the Bradley's Fun! Rain today on my way into Epcot. Yes, I'm stopping by Epcot first because I want to see if I can get into the Passholder Lounge today. Still haven't made it yet. It's only temporary, but I want to show you guys the progress in the construction of the Communicore building. As pretty as these purple flowers are on these trees, they are quite pretty. That is not what you're here to see. You're here to see Mickey and Friends. So there is the Communicore Hall building where you can see the Mickey and Friends meet and greet is going to be. Construction workers are out. I can see construction workers, Imagineers, whatever they are. Imagineer construction workers. I think this is third-party construction, but I'm not sure. Not 100% sure. And they're working on the stage, so those construction walls hopefully will come down soon. I think we're supposed to be opening this June 10th, I think. What's that, Walt? What? Oh, okay. So Walt wanted me to tell you guys, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you haven't yet, hit that notifications bell to be notified of all of our uploads here at Follow the Bradley's Fun. It's so weird to me how it's raining in literally every country in the entire world right now. Now, considering my opening day failures to get to the inside the Passholder Lounge, and the fact that it is raining right now, which means my camera's probably going all over the place because it's not really a good way for me to hold it. I'm very interested to see if the Passholder Lounge is filled because of the rain all this time, and I still wouldn't be able to get in. Also of note, the entire front side of Morocco is walled off for refurbishment right now, so that's interesting. So we'll see. All right, so here's the wall around the front part of Morocco, but come around the back of the wall, the Kid Cot station is open, and we're gonna check and see if we can make it into the lounge. It should be open, I think, I hope. We'll see. There it is, the Restaurant Marakesh, the Passholder Lounge. Let's see if I can make it in. I think I might be able to this time. You're not gonna believe this, but I am actually inside the temporary annual Passholder Lounge. Yay! This is the old Restaurant Marakesh. This place was awesome as a restaurant. We loved eating here. They have Planters peanuts and Chex Mix tea and water. All right, we made it. I hope this isn't blurry, but see the restaurant back here. It is not going on right now, but there will be periodic character meet and greets back here from time to time throughout the day of, I think, different characters, not always the same character meets here, so that's kind of cool. We did it! That was fun! In the Passholder Lounge. I was talking with another guest and I figure I only need to get about 2,000 more bags of peanuts before I pay for my annual pass. There's nobody here in front of this Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse scene. So I just figure, hey, why not get this on video? Okay, I can't come into Epcot without getting at least one obligatory shot of Spaceship Earth, right? That's gotta happen. And this, pretty tree over here with those pink flowers and the purple flowers and the flags and the... Oh, I love this park. This is my personal favorite of all four parks. The experimental prototype community of tomorrow.
And before I leave Epcot, a shot of these beautiful flowers for my wife. Getting ready to head over to Magic Kingdom. We're going to catch the monorail and go. Made it into Magic Kingdom. Time to catch the train to get over to Tiana's Bayou adventure.
Hey, do you guys hear the song that's playing on the train right now? It's Laughing Place. You know, Laughing Place from Splash Mountain. I just find that interesting. Just saying. Maybe there's hope. Please let there be hope.
Approach that station, friends. Please remain slowly sitting down on board the train until I give you those words of all clear. Please remain slowly sitting down on board the train. Remain slowly sitting. All clear now, you are free to disembark. Please watch your head and step as you exit the train. Welcome to Frontierland Station, your closest way to Liberty Square and adventure.
And coming off the train, we get today's first peek at the construction of Tiana's Bayou Adventure, the queue area. Looks like they're finishing up around the main entrance. You can see here on the backside of Chickman Hill, what used to be Chickman Hill, that they've kind of draped moss down the sides to kind of try and cover the rock area more.
It's quite the rainy night here this Monday evening, so I don't know that there's going to be a whole lot of work activity going on at Tiana's Bayou Adventure tonight. It's interesting to me how the green color actually pops in with the gray backdrop when it's it's raining like this. It is interesting to me to see kind of how they shutter this during the weather.
I can't quite make out what's written on the back of this water tower. If you know, leave that in the comments, please.
All right, so even though it has been raining this afternoon, I come over here and I do see water flowing, but the logs are not going, so they're not actually running the ride, the attraction yet. And I don't know what the weather is going to do, but if it clears up, they might actually start running the logs again today, so we'll see. If you look closely here, you can kind of see that there is some type of a mist. And they have a log kind of stuck at the top. They are running water down the slide today, though. There is a log stuck in the hole. Man, I hate it when the log is stuck and you can't just drop the log. But when I was here last week, the water was not coming down, which I believe is mostly aesthetic, but it is now. And maybe that creates a bigger splash, I don't know. But again, the logs are not moving right now. They just have water running through the attraction. But I think that's weather related. So because of the weather, I don't know what we're going to see a whole lot of activity tonight. My wife and I just watched Princess and the Frog, and there is an interesting, scenario in that movie where a riverboat just like this pulls up to the front of New Orleans. So the steamboat in the movie and the Liberty Bell steamboat are two very different, technically different time periods. But here in the Magic Kingdom, maybe time isn't as important as just general. This kind of sometimes goes together with that. I don't know how it works. Really, I really don't. Maybe they'll have a special Prince Naveen, Princess Tiana meet and greet on the Liberty Bell. That would be interesting, right?
One thing I definitely have noticed about today that's different than the last time I was here is there is no music, no ride music coming from the ride, at least not at this time today. Last time I was here, you could clearly hear the song Down in New Orleans playing. Still no movement on the boats quite yet. Maybe soon, I'm waiting.
So they dropped a single boat, but they don't have the rest of the boats or the logs running right now. I find that interesting. I don't know what they're doing.
I'll see if I can get a good shot of this fog effect that is new. I didn't see this last time, but it's definitely going this time. I wonder what it's going to be like from the inside of the ride.
So the water is running down the hill. That's really the only new thing that I've seeing that and the steam, smoke, vapor, whatever at the top of the mountain on the inside. Those are the only two new things that I've seen this time around. But with the ride not really operating, that is not much of an update this week. Oh, wait. We have some action here. Maybe? Are they going in? It looks like they're going in, right? Oh, I see one dropping down. There it is. They just dropped one. Okay, there we go. And I see that they've got all the boats running now, so maybe we'll get some activity here. Woohoo! I wonder how big of a splash that's going to be when there's actually people on board the launch.
I also wonder if there's going to be Princess and the Frog music out here when the attraction is up and running.
Of course, the curiosity builds as these logs go into the cave and we don't get to see them again or know what they're doing because the scrim is blocking it.
From this view, you can actually see the boats going by up on the hill.
Here on the Critter Co-op sign, they have painted over the broken piece.
Guess that'll have to do for now. Aha! On the inside of the attraction, they do have the attraction music and audio going now.
We have our first rider of the night on board from the design or Imagineering team, I'm sure.
Well, I'm not seeing any other riders.
See, stay out here long enough. You get that.
With more weather coming in, I think that's going to do it for tonight.
Thanks for coming in tonight. Check out the update on Tiana's Bayou Adventure for this week. I don't see that there's going to be a whole lot else going on tonight specifically, as far as anything more than the logs that are dropping, the water's going. The new things that we saw tonight were the mist coming from up there. You can kind of see it behind me, and the water on actually coming down the stream of the mountain. So that's new. We will continue to bring these updates to you every week, and I will link the other vlogs below, as well as they're going to be in a playlist. Well, they're all in a playlist. So thank you very much for coming in. Make sure you leave a like. Be kind to everybody, you see. And until next time, we'll see you real soon. Bye, everybody. Ciao.